Well, there he is once again. We're now back to see the Robson R66 once again for the second time. Well, basically I think this is the same helicopter as what we saw yesterday, I believe, anyway. So yeah, this is basically the same helicopter as what we saw yesterday apparently, which this is the one I came over yesterday apparently. So yeah, so as you can see, this is the same registration like it was yesterday. It's G-IWAW, that is. And as you can see, that is the Robson R66 Turbine, I think. Anyway, this is one of the Robson R66 Turbine. This is anyway. But it looks like, again, that's been over to, possibly over to the other cities, I believe. Anyway, just over St Mary's Airport. I think, once again, I think it's been over St Mary's Airport for the second time. For the second day that it's just been over to, anyway, just over to St Mary's Airport for the second day, anyway. So yeah, this has been over St Mary's Airport for the second day anyway. And just you can see, I think where I was talking of yesterday, I think this is where it's been landing over to yesterday apparently, just over at if I go to what I called the playback, this is where you get on ADXB though. Probably, I'm not sure if it should pop up, but I don't know what it's doing. Well, technically it's meant to be popping up apparently though, but I don't know what it's doing. Well, this one was on the 26th anyway, so if I go to the 27th, it should actually would have told me, but because obviously the 26th was yesterday anyway. Well, 26th was the Wednesday, and then Thursday was the 27th. So yeah, I don't think that's telling me the playback though. It was just a bit annoying. But obviously it was flying around here yesterday though, apparently. But and then because of yesterday, I think after it's been over to what's it called, just over the other cities yesterday though, apparently. So the registration was G-IWAW. So say if we go to that one, which obviously today was the 28th, but it's the 28th today. So I think this morning, this currently took off just somewhere near London Apprentice, just outside of St Austell apparently. So just outside St Austell, I think this is where it landed to yesterday apparently, just outside of St Austell, just over by London Apprentice, which I think this is where it's been to yesterday, I think anyway. So yeah, I think this is a helicopter that went to yesterday though. I think this is probably why it's been picking up the what I call the passengers over probably just over St Austell anyway. I think this is where it's been staying over at St Austell last night, I believe anyway. So basically just last night it's been over to just basically over St Austell last night anyway. So this is probably currently where it's been to, I believe, last night anyway. So yeah, this is where it's been last night. So yeah, this is where it's been staying over St Austell last night anyway. And then looks like this morning it's been going out from St Austell and then back to St Mary's Airport. I think it's basically doing what I called the helicopter ride, I think anyway. Basically what I call the helicopter ride. So yeah, I think this is where it's been picking up the passengers from St Mary's Airport and then taking them back to St Austell. I think this is where this Robson R66 is going from apparently though, picking up the passengers from St Mary's Airport to St Austell, I believe, by the London Apprentice. So yeah. Okay, so yeah, hopefully it should be landing back to St Austell, I believe, over by hopefully back to the London Apprentice, hopefully, just over the other side of St Austell, which I think that should be going back there hopefully soon. I think hopefully then by tonight it might be heading back. Probably it might be heading back to its base hopefully by tonight or whether, So yeah, hopefully it should be going back to its base by tomorrow hopefully, or tonight shall I say. So yeah. Okay, so yep. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.